Yes, thank you very much. Today I am going to discuss the measurement. In measurements, there are three items. First is the length, weight, and capacity. First, I will discuss the measurement. And measurement of the length. It is very, very important because the measurement of the length has the 3-unit conversion, that is from kilometer to meter and meter to centimeter and centimeter to mm. Why I said 3? Because kilometer to meter first jump, meter to centimeter second jump, and centimeter to mm third jump. And just say, this is from higher unit to the lower unit, from left hand to right hand side. But when you go conversion from lower unit to higher unit, from mm to centimeter, it should be multiplied by 1 by 10. Then also when we are going to from centimeter to meter, it should be multiplied by 1 by 100. But when you go from meter to kilometer, it should be multiplied by 1000. And just say, this movement is from right hand side to the left hand side. It is very, very important. And from higher unit to lower unit, you have to go from left to right hand side. That is the first conversion. But before conversion, this is the standard unit. But generally measurement of the length, if you just ask me, it is classified as a non-standard unit. That is the ancient time. People used to do palm. Palm means this is 1 beta, 2 beta, 3 beta. That is the way in which the length was measured. Then hand, by hand, it is roughly about 1 feet. Now feet people don't talk it, but 1 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet. And then this is legs. When you are moving, this legs, this leg. All these non-standard units are variable because it depends upon the size of the people. Now the most important thing is the standard, that is the present time unit, which is we are going to use it, which I have just discussed, conversion factor from kilometer to meter, meter to centimeter to mm, and reverse back. Kilometer, km represent the kilometer, m represent the meter, cm represent the centimeter, mm. That is a very, very important notation of the measurement of the standard unit of the length. Now, just say B, measurement of the weight. Here, weight is also generally in common sense, common market is usually mass. The unit of measurement of the weight, mass, it is solid in the shape, and that is in the kilogram kg. And the kilogram is used for heavy solid material, and the gram is used for the light solid material. Now, heavy solid material belongs to fruits, apples, mangoes, watermelon, papaya, and etc. And the lightweight material are chocolate, masala, cookies, etc. So you have to make a difference between the heavyweight and the lightweight. But here, only in the measurement of the length, there is a 3 jump. First jump from kilometer to meter, meter to centimeter, centimeter to mm. But in a kilogram for class 4 students, it is only given in a kg and the gram. Because of that, I am not written the first jump because there is only 1 jump. From kg to gram, from higher to lower, again you have to go from the left hand side to right hand side, and you have to multiply it by 1000 if you want to convert kg into gram. But suppose you want to convert from gram to kg, it should be multiplied by 1 by 1000. That is very, very important, and all these things has been mentioned very easily. No, sorry. I'm just giving the example 1. Just say, example 1. It is said that convert the following in gram, in pictogram and numerals and numbers. Pictogram means in picture form. 1 kg, half kg, 1 by 4 kg, 3 by 4 kg. It is also referred as half, 1 kg, half, 1/4. It is also referred 3/4. So solution, use the conversion table from multiplying by kg by 1000 because all are in kg. Just say I have taken the 4 example. I'm putting pictogram. Just see, you mention it is a pictogram, it is a proper fraction, it is a number, then it is number and number's name. That's very, very important. Just see, for a circle, I am considering full circle. Just kg. Full circle means 1 upon 1. Every number has a denominator of 1. Every number can be said as a fraction, but here 1 by 1 is a proper fraction. Now 1 kg is equal to 1 kg into 1000 gram becomes, number is 1000 and number name is 1000 gram. It is a number name. Similarly, I am just giving the C case 1/4. Circle is divided into 4 parts, which is coming in the denominator, and we have taken one part. The one part is the numerator. So 1 by 4 becomes the proper fraction, and 1 by 4 kg means 1 by 4 into 1000 kg is equal to 250 gram. It is a number, and 250 gram is the number name. Similarly, you can just see case B and D also. Just see here, convert the gram into kilogram. So in that case, what will happen? Is from lower unit to higher unit. So you have to multiply it by 1000. All the cases has been given here. And I am just taking here the conversion from lower to higher unit. Hence you have to multiply it by 1 into 1000. Just see, case G. Case G is nothing but 7750 gram. It is a number, but when you write number name, becomes different. So just see here, 1750 gram. This is this into 1 gram, and 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 multiplied by this is this thing. Here it is a numerator, denominator, dividend and divisor. So for that I have given here a very clear picture form how we will do the division in conversion method. Just say 1750.000. If you put 0.000, I think numbers remain the same. Why I have taken 30? Because here it is 30. So I have taken 30. You can take 40 also, 50, depending upon the divisor. Now just say, I have just make a table of 1000. I have multiplied from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this 1000 is divisor. Just see here 1000 is divisor. So this is the divisor. This is a quotient and this is the dividend product. Now just see, here 1000 you take 1, 2, 3, 4 digits, here 4 digits. So here if you multiply by 1, it can be 1000. But quotient is equal to 1. So I put quotient 1 and divided by, I put 1000. This is minus. So here in that case, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 0, 5, 7, cut. 750. Just see, this is a dividend. Here also it is a dividend, but dividend is 3 unit. But divisor is 4 unit. So you have to convert this into 4 unit. So just see, if you just go 7000, just put a point here, then put point here, then down 0 here. So it becomes 4 digit. 7500. You have to divisor 1000. Divisor 1000. Just see dividend when it becomes less than 7500. So you'll find that if the, just here 1000, if you multiply by 6, it becomes 6000. If 1000 multiplied by 7, it becomes 7000. If you multiply by 8, 8000, but it becomes more than this dividend. Divisor should be always less than dividend. So now your quotient becomes 7. So I put 7 here, 7000 here. Again 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0 again. Just see. Again I am increasing and making down. This is 5000. So here 5 becomes quotient. And then equal 5000, 5000. Then it is cut. Now again we have to down 0. 40. So 40. So here 1000 0 is equal to 10 as well as 20. It can be 30. It can be written as 40. Because if write 0 5 times, 0, 1 time 0, but here this is 4 0, so I have taken down, then 0, because 0 into 0, 4 0, and then it is, this becomes a remainder. So now conversion becomes, this is quotient, that answer is equal to 1.750 kg. This is the kg. But it can sometimes, it is asked question right in kg and gram both. So this is 1 kg plus 0.750 kg. If you multiply 0.75 kg, you have to multiply by 1,000, and if you multiply 1,000, it becomes 750 gram. So ultimately, answer becomes this. So it is very important that the student should know in a division, if you divide a number by 10, what can be result? If you divide a number by 100, what can be result? So I have used this one, and by simplification for remainder, I have written this multiplication, you can say table of 1000. अब देखिए, in I just given in the words problem, Siri and Momo are packaging sweets in a packet for New Year gift. One packet contains 250 gram, and if there are 1000 gram sweets, I missed R, so there are 1000 gram sweets for packaging. Calculate the number of packets. So here you have to be very careful that I am using this sign. Just say since. This sign gives the since. This symbol, if you want to use it, it is a since. Since 250 grams sweets is equal to 1 packet, so therefore 1 gram is equal to 1 by 10 because it is lower value. And 1000 is equal to 1 by 250 into 1000. Again here, it becomes 1000 upon 250, numerator upon denominator, dividend upon divisor. So here just show 1250. Again, I put the table here of 250, divisor, quotient and dividend. Just see, this is the dividend. Dividend, just see here, 3 digit. If you take 3 digit, 100 is less than 250. So quotient becomes, you go quotient 0. 0 यहाँ पर लिखा गया है. अब देखिए यहाँ पर क्या किया गया है कि now if you take down 1000, just see here, a 250 into 0, 0, 0, 254 is equal to 1000. So here it is not a point, it should be only number. There is no need of point because there is no need of number. So it can go 4 times. That means you need a 4 packet. Answer is 4 packet. That is how one should proceed further. Next. Just say. अब देखिए example for height. Here calculate the height of a student in meter from the following height in centimeter. अब देखिए all students' height has been given in centimeter. Just say. And you have to convert into meter. Just see the first. I will just show you centimeter to meter. So I just want to show you. Just see. When you want to go centimeter to meter, it is a multiplied by 100 because from lower unit to higher unit. This is very, very important. Otherwise, a student can make a mistake. अब देखिए, I have done the same thing. Solution for A, 130 centimeter. It is a conversion from lower unit into higher unit. So 130 centimeter should be multiplied by 1 by 100. I have done the same thing. 1 centimeter into 1 by 100, 130 upon 100, dividend upon divisor. Again here I put this is the mathematical table of the 100. Generally the students should inform that table is from 1 to 20, 0 to 20. No, it can be 100, thousands, lakhs, like that. So here I have just written first term is divisor, quotient, dividend, as I mentioned earlier. This is also referred as a product. Here it can be 2 digit, 2 0 also, 1 0 also. Just see. Divisor, quotient 130 and 100. Just see. 3 digit is there. I have chosen 3 digit. 130 is more than 100. It is good. So just say. So here if you just go 101, it is 100. So quotient becomes 100, 0, 3, 30. 30 is less than divisor, so you have to make more. For more, you put point here, you make point here, and 0 and big down. 300. Again here 300 dividend become higher than 100. So just go for this table, 300 coming, the quotient is 3. Put 3 here, and again remainder is 0. In division, this term is always dividend. For simplification, I have written all these things, divisor, quotient and dividend as well. So now answer becomes 1.3 meter. It can be written as 1 meter plus 0.3 meter. Here if you want to convert from meter to centimeter, higher to lower, you have to multiply by 100 and results gives 30 centimeter and 1 meter. Because centimeter can be 2 digit, not 3 digit. In a gram, it can be 3 digit. Now, next, just see, again here I am just going from meter to kilometer, again from lower to higher. So in this case, you have to divide by 1000. I have given example of one, this. 6,735 meter multiplied by 1000, it becomes dividend, becomes numerator, divisor. Again I have written the table of 1000 here, as I have done for 10, 100, 1000 can be done. Just see here. Here divisor, quotient, divisor. Divisor is 4 digit. So here, if you want to take the 4 digit, so now this is 6,000. So here the quotient becomes 6, and then it can become 6,000, then 5, 3, 7. Now this is a 3 digit. To make it 4 digit, put point here, and make 0 and down this one. Now 7,350. So 7,007 becomes the next quotient. 7 gaya, yeah, 7,000 again 0, no 5, 3, 35. यहाँ पर ध्यान रखिएगा, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. This is a 35. So in this case what happened? 350. So make again 10 down. So in this case it becomes 4 digit. Quotient becomes 3. So now here 3. So 3,000 again 500. Make 0 again, 5,000. Quotient becomes 5 here. So this becomes 3.735 kg. Just see, kg. But if you want to write the answer in kg and kilometer and meter, then you have to write 6 kilometer and 0.735 kilometer. Kilometer can be converted into meter by multiplying 1000. So ultimately it becomes 6 kilometer, 735 meter, or 6 kilometer, 735 meter. That is how it is converted from lower to higher. But if you want to go higher to lower, you have to multiply. This thing you have to remember. Just see here. Here all conversion is given from just from higher to lower. I have just given one example, that 8:1/2, this is the mixed fraction, can be written as 17/2. Will be multiplied by first jump into 1000. Just see 1000, 7,000 upon 2. If you divide this, I am just giving the example, divide this here, 17,000 divided by 2. अब there 2 का table, everybody knows the 2 का table. Everyone should know. The 2 at जा 16 minus 1, 0, 2 5 जा 10 कट. अब ये ध्यान रखिएगा, यहाँ पर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है कि अगर आप इस 0 को उतारोगे, यहाँ पर इसको 0 उतारे हैं, इसको यहाँ 0 उतारे हैं तो ये भी 0 हो जाएगा, फिर 0 बढ़ जाएगा जो है, फिर 0 उतारेंगे, फिर 0 बढ़ जाएगा जो है, तो ये हो जाए 8500. So 8500 will be answer. Now other method, first back into kilometer. Kilometer is 1000, half into 500, same answer. Two methods you can adopt. There's the first method and second method. Again, just see measurement of the capacity. Capacity also we have the two, liter and millimeter. In for class 4, kiloliter is not there, but I have only taken class 4 conversion. So if you go from higher to lower, multiply by 1000. From lower to higher, you have to multiply by 1000. That is how we should do the conversion factor. Conversion factor is very, very important. Here I have just 1 liter means what? Half liter means 1/4, 3/4. Now this is a cylinder. I am considering it is full of 1 liter. So 1 by 1, and 1 liter is equal to itna ml. And it is called 1000 milliliter. It is a number name. Similarly, if it is 1/4, so 1 by 4, 1 by 4 liter is equal to 1 by 4 into 1000 is equal to 250 ml. This is 250 ml is the. This is from higher unit to lower unit. And if you go from lower unit to higher unit, so accordingly you have to divide by 1000. अब देखिए यहाँ पर convert the ml into liter. So here I have taken the case D. Case D is equal to 3550 ml. So in this case you have to multiply by 1 upon 1000 liter. So it becomes numerator and denominator. Again you have to divide it the same way as I have done in the other units. Divisor, quotient and dividend. Example 3. It is a word problem. There are 1500 ml of the orange juice to be filled equally into 250 ml bottle. यानी 250 मेटल का बॉटल है और उसमें इतना भरना है, तो उसे क्या करेंगे? नंबर कम आएगा तो उसके लिए डिवाइड करेंगे. अब देखिए 15 में 250 को डिवाइड करना है. आई हैव डन द सेम थिंग. 250 का यहाँ पर टेबल हमने लिखा, डिविजर, कोशेंट, डिविडेंड. यहाँ पर देखिए 250 अगर आप लेते हैं 3 डिजिट लेते हैं तो 150 आएगा. 150 इज लेस देन 250, cannot be divided. So to make it is lower, you have to go for 0. Quotient is 0. और यहाँ पर 3 0 लिखेंगे तो 3 राइट, 4 राइट, 2 राइट, नो मीनिंग. फिर यहाँ पर आप सेम प्रोसीजर आई फॉलोड और एवरी term is the dividend. This is very, very important, and this is a remainder. So now answer is 6 bottle, and now I'm just giving you the question for practice. Convert the following liters into ml: half 5 liter, 2.5 liter, 6 is to 1 by 4 liter, 1 is to 3 by 4 liter, and you have to done in the similar way where you have to use the conversion unit from lower to higher. Thank you very much.